This 2015 Highland Ridge Open Range Light LT308 BHS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Seguin, Texas, 78155 and is offered for sale by Seguin RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Highland Ridge is 37 feet 3 inches in length and features sleeps 8, water heater, TV antenna, DVD player, air conditioning, refrigerator, TV, awning, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, mid-living area, outdoor kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2015 Highland Ridge Open Range Light LT308 BHS is 8,510 pounds. This 2015 Highland Ridge Open Range Light LT308 BHS. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Seguin RV.